In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Google Slides. This can be incredibly useful whether you're aiming to create a subtle background image or just want to blend visuals more seamlessly with your text. So let's dive right into the process step by step to make sure you understand every part of it. First, you'll want to start in your Google Slides presentation and select the image that you are working with. This is really the first and most crucial step because it's the picture you want to alter that sets the whole process in motion. Simply click on the image in your slide that you want to make more transparent. If you haven't inserted an image yet, make sure you have done so by following the normal steps of inserting images in Google Slides. Next, it's time to open up the format options. To do this, right-click on your selected image. When you do, a menu will appear, and from here you should select Format Options. Doing so opens up a panel on the right side of your screen filled with various tools and settings for modifying your image. This panel is where most of our work will take place as it contains the adjustments needed for transparency. Once you have the Format Options panel open, direct your attention to the Adjustments tab. Clicking on this tab will expand it, providing more settings specifically tuned for tweaking how your image looks. Now, let's focus on the transparency slider, which plays a pivotal role in this process. You will see this slider under the Adjustments tab. Moving the slider to the right will make the image increasingly transparent, altering it from a solid picture to a more translucent one. This feature is really helpful for blending images cohesively with other design elements or text on your slide. Take your time moving the slider back and forth until the transparency level meets your needs. While adjusting transparency is the main goal here, there's an optional step for those looking to fine-tune their image further. In the same Adjustments tab, you will find sliders for both brightness and contrast. These tools allow you additional control over how your image looks, giving you the ability to create the perfect aesthetic balance with the rest of your slide's content. Experiment with these sliders if you feel that your image requires a bit more tweaking to achieve the perfect look. And there you have it, a simple, yet effective way to adjust image transparency in Google Slides. Feel free to play around with these options to enhance your presentations and make them truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.